up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are doing well today. Well, I am back in the truck. I'm doing some commercial properties with my brother today. Pretty much when you're in the fall, you can't keep any work, especially during the off season. So I'm back in the saddle. My partner is visiting family at this time. So we got 7 commercial properties we have to do, and they're about, all travel time together is about 3 hours. Believe it or not, we're gonna be doing more riding than cutting, but that's the way it is, and I do charge for that travel time. So let's get it. Fam, we finished the first one of 7, and I hadn't been out here in a minute, and I'm not tired at all, but at the same time it's not 90-something degrees. It's pretty cool, breezy, and not a lot of growth, but we definitely still made it look better, cutting up those leaves and everything. So just so you know, when we deal with commercials, we cut once a week during the normal cut season, which is March through October. Then in November through February, we do bi-weekly. And the reason why we do bi-weekly is because it's not a lot of growth. However, you want to make sure that the trash and everything and the lines on your edging is still manicured, man, because if not, what you'll wind up doing is coming back and getting started in the spring and having to do a real cleanup again, and then charge your clients more money, which you want to make it always look clean and crisp, especially for a commercial business who's trying to get customers in. All right, so we're on to the next one, and the ride is another 30 minutes to get there. So I told you we're gonna do a lot of riding today. Okay, fam, this is a new property. Same commercial people we deal with. Basically, they out throughout Metro Atlanta, and we got one. And ever since then, they keep calling us back as they grow. And we do definitely hope they grow. This one took us a little time because it was a little cleanup. Just gonna let you see the property. This is one of those properties, man, that you really want to include trash pickup, especially when you're around busy highways and stuff. Definitely a lot of trash come up, and you don't supposed to mow that stuff and keep going. You want to pick that stuff up, and just like anything, I know a lot of y'all saying, hey, trash is not cutting grass. Well, you start chopping that stuff up, and I'm pretty sure your client's gonna be upset. So go ahead and add it to your time and pick the trash up. I charge the money for picking trash up that's on the cutting surface. So anytime I'm cutting on the cutting surface, I have to pick that stuff up, I'm charging them. So we're servicing our commercial client, and like I said, this is Metro Atlanta on a Sunday, and truth be told, our destination is like 30 minutes between each other. And if you know anything about Metro Atlanta, man, going from Thornton Road to Cobb, and it only takes 26 minutes, man, that is fantastic. You can't cut these commercials around here on any other day than on a Sunday, because we got to travel, and it's worth our time. So a little slowdown in Atlanta is great, because sometimes, man, you would think it'd be like a UFO done landed in the middle of the doggone highway. That's how long sometimes these things take. But we're kind of flowing.
The destination is on your left. Arrived.
fam, one of the things I want to add, my brother does an excellent job of practicing the proper way to navigate these highways here in Metro Atlanta, and especially when you're hauling a whole bunch of stuff. The proper way is to let everybody pass you. You need to drive below 65 or lower, because these people crazy. These people crazy in Atlanta. And I think that's what we're gonna do for all my drivers. They're gonna be taught to drive 65 and below on the highway. Not 65 in the school zone, on the highway. Because everyone around here is flying. And one thing you don't want to get is a flat on this highway and that doggone trailer start boogalooing. What up, fam? So we cutting the last one in the dark. Luckily, they got lights. Thank goodness. Well, fam, this is the end of the road. It took us 3.5 hours just to travel to 7 commercial properties. And yes, we charged them also for the time it takes us to commute around Metro Atlanta. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That's if you watched it all the way to the end. Please like and subscribe to the channel. The brother is trying to just get his subs up and like it as well. Man, I hope you guys are preparing for the 2020 cut season, and it'd be fantastic. All right, cut on, lawn care family. Cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.